What's up, YouTube? We are outside, y'all. Hold on, bro. This car is loud. I need y'all to hear this, bro. Y'all ready? Oh my God, that shit is crazy, bro. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. This shit is nasty. Watch, we in first gear. That's just ridiculous, bruh. You know, this is the same day I have got the car. Go ahead and watch that video of me taking delivery of my car after 3 months of straight misery without my Mustang GT. So yeah, this is the first day I got it, the first night. So I want to put it in sport so I can use the paddles. I don't want to, like, they told me not to, like, do that. Or they didn't tell me that, they told me, right? This is what they told me. They told me not to open throttle it until they do that last final checks when I bring it back for the tune. All I gotta do is just burn this gas, and I'm not gonna lie, that gas gonna get burned. So it's like, bro, that tune's gonna happen fast, the fastest possible, bro. All I know is when I have the exhaust mode in track, it's loud. You know what I'm saying? It's just loud. I think I'm gonna put it in sport mode and use the paddles, bro. I might just try it. I might just not go over 4,000 RPMs. Simple as that. We all know that these 5.0s, they go up all the way to 8,000, bro. Like, come on now. Like, these Mustangs rev to the moon. So it's like, that's probably why I blew a hole through the motor, revving this joint at 6,000, 7,000 every time I put it in sport mode. But hey, it is what it is, bro. We back in the car. But I want to put it in sport mode, but I want to. Hopefully there's no cops, right? Should I roll down the window? Yeah, let's roll down the window. Just a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I bet. Let's hear a downshift. Let's do another one. Oh, this car drives so nice. This car drives so nice. Whew. Bro, it's still muffled, bruh. Those mufflers are still, like, I hear it. You know, exhaust tips, mufflers, they all change the sound of the car a little bit. These stock mufflers making it sound like a stock 5.0. You know, even though this joint is nasty and loud, you feel me? But I can still, I mean, I guess because it's the same engine, Dre. Hey, bro. Oh. My windshield wipers don't work. Look at that G37. So that's in the video. I'm gonna remember that so I can tell them windshield wipers do not work. Everything else is fine. Ooh, is that a G? Look at that. Is that a G right there? know, so we can ride in manual mode. You know what I'm saying? I just don't rev it to the moon. See some downshifts. Let's see if we get some pops. Ooh. Damn! Oh my God! Do y'all hear that? Oh my God! Oh my God, bro. What have I created? What the fuck? We got a G37 in front of us. And we got a bike over there. So many people out at 10 o'clock at night. I'm not gonna hold you. Oh my God. Is this open throttle what I'm doing? Can we get a pop? Oh, we getting, bro. I feel it, bro. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but it's just popping in the exhaust system, bro. I feel it in my ass. Bro, what? Bro, what? Oh my God, bro. I need outside shots, bro. I need outside shots, bro. I need outside shots. Okay. Okay, I like that. I like that a little bit. Something light. Nothing too crazy. Ooh, I hear another Mustang. Y'all heard that? That nigga right there going crazy. Bro, this is gonna be a tough video, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. So much shit's happening, bro. Excitement. That joint turned on. That's an eco. That shit's an eco. The Blazer. I ain't gonna punch it. I'm not. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be some light shit. You know what I'm saying? Some pops? Anything? Ooh. Ooh. Okay, something light. Ooh, look at the C7. Look at the C7. Hey, he got some in the exhaust too. He got some in the exhaust too. What view y'all like? Y'all like this view? Or do y'all like the super view? What y'all like? You know, I'm on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, you know what I'm saying? So this quality better be crazy, man. You know what I'm saying? Oh, look at that share flying. What the hell is going on in this video today? And that Blazer key, bro, that eco shit. I smell 93 gas. That's what I'm smelling. Oh, look at that. Look at that Mercedes Benz up there. He lucky, you know what I'm saying? There's no racing today. Ain't no racing tonight, you know what I'm saying? Because, oh my God, he going crazy. He going crazy. Going crazy. The Blazer. I kind of want to like push it up there in RPMs to break it in. just crazy loud, bro. Just crazy loud, bro. There's a charger up there. Oh my God, what are they doing over here? State trooper? Bruh, they doing some alcohol shit? Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. What they got going on over here? Look at that charger. This little scat pack. That little scat pack. Alright, YouTube, this is the end of this video, bro. If y'all have enjoyed this POV drive of the Mustang, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and get tuned in for these videos, bro. They're going to be dropping, bro. They're going to be dropping. So if you're not subscribed right now, bro, and I hit 100K subscribers, bro, you know what I'm saying? You're not an OG, bro. You're not an OG. That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to say, right? The ones who subscribe now, you're the OG, you know what I'm saying? And you're the real ones. You're the reason why people grind, you know what I'm saying? Because you show support. If you show support to these smaller people, bruh, and you like what they got going on, why not show support? You know what I'm saying? Because to me, if I see no support, then I'm doing something wrong. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing something wrong. Now, if people hating on me, I'm doing something right. But it's just quiet over here on this channel. So what's up with y'all? You know what I'm saying? I reply to every comment. I'm trying to talk to y'all. Try to get to know y'all. I want y'all to get to know me. What did I say in video number 1 of this channel, bruh? It's gonna be our favorite car channel, bruh. wait till we really start getting subs, bruh. And really start making money. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we pulling in bread, but bro, I'm trying to have a whole fleet of cars. I can't have 5 cars right now at this level, you know what I'm saying? Or like this OC and spending 15K on a car. You know what I'm saying? I'm not there yet, you know what I'm saying? I gotta stay down to the come up. So I gotta stay down to the come up. So hey, if y'all think I'm worthy, bro, hit that subscribe button. We out.